A shocking 43% of home buyers now are in the same boat, and they're facing stress and regret. Why is this? Well, because they were the group of people that dived in, boots and all, paid top dollar at highest interest rates to secure a house in the marketplace. Now, let's see what's happening with them.
I'm Kiwi of the coast, the agent with the most.
According to a recent survey, 43% of home buyers, recent home buyers, are having hardship when it comes to making their payments. And that's not all. 82% are saying that they've got some major regret about the purchase they made. Man, that's expected because these buyers were having to jump in and grab whatever they could, not necessarily the home of their dreams. Top regrets include maintenance issues that they didn't see to when they purchased the house, or they were having to move so quickly they had to waive inspections and now they're paying the price. The home itself not meeting their needs, and this can happen because they're buying something that was really not what they wanted, but they dived in anyway because just to secure something. And the big one, they paid too much. And they were forced to do this because everybody else was going to pay as much or more. Another concerning trend is the financial strain that these home buyers are under. About 43% had to take on additional debt to secure this lifestyle that they wanted in buying this particular home. Additionally, 50% of those buyers took on mortgage rates and payments which were higher than they wanted to pay. And 37% went over budget, in many cases way over budget, to secure that home ahead of the competition. Of course, the role of the real estate agents, that's always under scrutiny, and this is no different. About 42% of those buyers felt that their agents didn't do all they could to secure that house under favorable circumstances. And to be honest, honest with the real estate agents, they were facing multiple offers, a real strain in securing a particular home for a buyer, so it didn't leave a lot of room for touchy-feelies out there. And of course, despite these concerns, the majority of buyers will use a real estate agent in the future. They need them now as that market has continued to be complex. So what do we do to avoid these pitfalls that many of these buyers are feeling right now? Well, be realistic about your budget and the terms of your mortgage. And you may have to look at buying a lesser home and not getting that home that you could have afforded 2 years ago and are stretching to buy right now. Factor in those maintenance costs. Make sure you do an inspection, find out what you're in for, and be realistic about what it's going to do, what it's going to cost to change the way the home looks and fix the obvious fixes that need doing. Choose that real estate agent that's going to assist you with that and is knowledgeable with vendors and fixes and localized costs and conditions. That is always a must. Be well prepared and informed when you're jumping in. Don't get caught up in the melee of multiple offers if you do not have to. It is very enticing when a home goes out the door for more than asking and the next one comes up that you want to jump in there and pay more. But really take a breath, sit back, and really ascertain, is that the right move for you? If it is, jump in, boots and all, quickly and listen to the advice of your agent. If it's not, just wait it out, buy something that's a little lesser, something that's not quite as expensive, perhaps something that's turnkey, or alternatively, something that you can do some work on yourself so that you're not stretched on your budget. Remember, buying a home, always a significant investment. It is the largest investment that you as the buyer is going to make. And those buyers out there are under a huge amount of pressure with low inventory, high interest rates, and prices that still seem to be increasing. Real estate market, boy, is it constantly changing. Click on the video that's on your screen right now so I can keep you up to date with inventory, interest rates, days on market, all those factors affecting you and the real estate market. We'll see you on that next video. The Room.